Hello students, today we will discuss about lens equation. Earlier we have studied mirror equation. Mirror equation is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So similarly today we will discuss about lens equation. Lens equation. What is lens equation? It is a relation among object distance is taken by letter u, image distance v, and focal length f of the lens. So what is the lens equation? It is a relation among object distance u, image distance v, and focal length of the lens. And the lens equation is lens equation is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. The lens equation is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So first we'll derive lens equation for convex lens producing a real image. Convex lens producing real image. Convex lens producing real image. So the ray diagram is take the object beyond focus. Take a light ray AK that goes parallel with principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus. Take another light ray that passes through the optical center C, or I am taking P. You can take C or you can take P, no problem. Take a light ray that passes through the optical center P. After refraction it will undeviate, means it goes straight. And both the light rays after diffraction will meet at the point A dash, draw perpendicular to the principal axis. So A dash B dash is a real image. Let P be the optical center and F be the principal focus of the convex lens of focal length PF is equal to small f. Consider an object AB placed perpendicular to the principal axis of the lens and placed beyond focus. Take a ray AK that goes parallel with the principal axis. After refraction it will pass through the focus and goes along KL. Another ray AP passes through the optical center P and goes along PM. Both the refracted ray KL and PM actually meet at the point A dash, producing the image, real image A dash B dash. Now here object distance is equal to PB, image distance is equal to PB dash, focal length is equal to PF. This is focal length PF. This focus is considered real focus. PF, focal length is equal to PF. Now let us see triangle ABP and triangle A dash B dash P are similar because this angle is 90 degree, B angle is 90 degree, B dash angle is 90 degree. This angle is equal to this angle, opposite angle. APB angle is equal to A dash P B dash angle. So obviously BAP angle, BAP angle will be equal to B dash A dash P angle. That is where both the triangle are similar. Triangle ABP is similar with the triangle A dash B dash P. So we can write A dash B dash by AB is equal to PB dash by PB. Equation number 1. Similarly, KPF and A dash B dash F are similar. KPF, this angle is 90 degree, B dash angle is 90 degree. F, this angle is equal to this angle. So obviously PKF angle will be equal to F A dash B dash angle. So you can write triangle KPF and triangle A dash B dash F are similar. So you can write A dash B dash by KP is equal to B dash F by PF. Equation number 2. A dash B dash by KP is equal to B dash F by PF. But KP is equal to AB. So put in equation number 2, we can write A dash B dash by AB is equal to B dash F by PF. Now equation number 1, A dash B dash by AB is equal to PB dash by PB, and equation number 3, A dash B dash by AB is equal to B dash F by PF. So from equation 1 and 3, we can write PB dash by PB is equal to B dash F by PF. Equation number 4. Now what is B dash F in the figure? What is B dash F? B dash F is equal to PB dash minus PF. B dash F is equal to PB dash minus PF. So putting in equation number 4, so equation 4 can be written as PB dash by PB is equal to PB dash minus PF by PF. Equation number 5. Now applying sign convention, we can write what is PB dash? PB dash is equal to image distance. This is V. PP object distance negative minus U, and PF focal length small f. PB object distance negative minus U, PB dash focal length small v positive, and PF focal length small f. Now putting in equation number 5, we get putting in equation 5 we get V divided by minus U is equal to V minus F by F, implies VF is equal to minus UV plus UF, implies UV is equal to UF minus VF. Dividing both sides by UVF, dividing both sides by UVF, we get UV by UVF is equal to UF by UVF minus VF by UVF. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So this is your lens equation, comes as long question in council examination, 7 marks. Derive lens equation for convex lens producing real image. So 7 mark long question.